ways the word you is used in French. There are two different words for you in French. Tu, which is informal, and vous, which is the formal way. Please repeat after me. Tu, as in tutu, so push your lips forward. Tu. One more time. Tu. And vous. Vous, so the S is silent. Together, please. Vous. One more time. Vous. So they are not interchangeable. So it's very important to understand when and why to use each of them. Otherwise, you may inadvertently insult someone by using the wrong you. So informal, when we use tu, so tu is the familiar you. It demonstrates a certain closeness and informality. Use tu when speaking to a good friend, a relative, a peer or long-term colleague, a child or a pet. Formal. Vous is the formal and plural you. It's used to show respect or maintain a certain distance, formality with any person. In addition, vous is always used when you are talking to more than one person or thing. Use vous when speaking to someone you don't know well, an older person, an authority figure, anyone to whom you wish to show respect, two or more people, animals, etc. Some people follow the guidelines of using whatever the other person uses with them. This can be misleading. Someone in authority may use tu with you, but that certainly doesn't mean that you can respond in kind. When in doubt, I tend to use vous. I'd rather show someone too much respect than not enough. There are even verbs for them. Tutoyer, let's repeat together. Tutoyer means call someone tu. And vous voyez, let's repeat that together. Vous voyez means to call someone vous.